Hello and welcome to the Torrance Memorial Patient Tutorial. Torrance Memorial is a secure online health management tool to connect you to your electronic medical record from a computer or smartphone 24/7. Once enrolled into your patient portal, you can conveniently access portions of your electronic medical record, message your physician, view lab results, and pay bills. You will also have access to eClipboard, which allows you to complete paperwork online and provide updates before your visit, rather than completing a form in the waiting room. In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to use key features, navigate within your patient portal, and how to contact support. When you schedule an appointment or become a patient of Torrance Memorial, you will receive an email invitation to sign up for the portal. You can log in by visiting this link, mytorrancememorial.org, from any internet browser. You can also access your patient portal login from the Torrance Memorial website at torrancememorial.org and clicking the My Torrance Memorial link in the top right-hand corner. Once here, you can log in and you will be redirected to the My Torrance Memorial login screen. Here, you will enter your username and password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to your My Torrance Memorial dashboard. This is your main dashboard where you can easily access your health information. If at any time you need to come back to your dashboard, you can click the Torrance Memorial logo in the top left-hand corner. Clicking on this link from anywhere with your portal will always take you back to your dashboard. Here, you will find important hospital news and updates. The right panel allows you to quickly view your allergies and most recent lab results. In the corner, you will see your name. This is where you can view your account information, update account settings, view notifications, access logs, and contact help. Notifications from the portal are sent to this email address. You can update the email you wish to receive notifications. Your notification email address could be different than the email address associated with your sign-in account. Be sure anytime you are done using your patient portal, you click Sign Out to be securely logged out. In the left-hand navigation, you will see links that will take you to different sections of your health record. Click Health Record and you will see a number of options listed. The first is your health profile. Click here. In your health profile, you can view your current medication list, immunization history, current allergies, and your health issues. You can click Learn More about this if you need more information on a particular prescription or diagnosis. The next tab is Results. If you have had labs done, certain results will populate here. You will see your lab that was drawn, the date and time it was drawn, and the results. If results are not yet available, it will be indicated with pending, and the date or time it will be available in your chart. Results are made available after 35 hours. To learn more about a particular lab, you can click the link to be taken to a health library, where you can find more information on the type of test and result meanings. You can also filter by a specific date range by entering the start and end date here to find a specific lab draw. Click Submit to view results. If you cannot find a specific lab draw, please contact your doctor's office. Some lab results will need further discussion with your provider. Next, click Documents. The Documents tab is where you will find past patient forms, physician notes, discharge instructions, and other clinical documentation. By clicking on the document name, a new tab will open with that document. You can also click Download to download the document and save to your files. The Medication tab allows you to view all your prescriptions with dosage information, prescribing provider, and the date you began your prescription. Your most recent medication list will populate first. Pay close attention to your dose, frequency, and route of medication. Your pharmacy may make changes, so be sure to ask your pharmacist for exact medication instructions. Next, click Procedures. You will see a list of procedures you have had within the Torrance Memorial Network. Information will only appear if your provider has inputted this into your chart. Click Download and Send. You will have the ability to download and share a summary of your health records to a provider outside of the Torrance Memorial Network. Next, click Radiology. Here is where you can view any radiology imaging tests you have had within the Torrance Memorial Network. You can view or download your results. Here is where you can view any radiology imaging tests you have had within the Torrance Memorial Network. Please note that the results, date, and time may not necessarily be the date and time you had your exam. If you have questions regarding the content of your report, please contact your ordering physician. Click Microbiology. Here is where you will find your respiratory viral panel results, such as tests to detect influenza A, B, and other respiratory viruses. You can view or download your results. If you have questions regarding the content of your report, please contact your ordering physician. Click Social History. This is where you can view your social history, such as alcohol and tobacco usage and frequency. Click HIPAA. This will open a new link with the fillable PDF of HIPAA Form number 17. This form is an authorization for use or disclosure of patient health information. Completion of this document authorizes the use of individually identifiable health information. This is how you can identify another person, other than yourself, to collect medical records on your behalf. The authorization form must be legible and complete when submitted to medical records in person. Requests for information regarding any of the following items must also be specifically initialed on the form. Click COVID-19 Center. This is where you can view and download results from your COVID-19 nasal swab, respiratory PCR test, and COVID-19 immunization record. Click on the Appointments tab. Here you can view your currently scheduled appointments, print list, see a specific view, and send to your personal calendar. If you would like to schedule, reschedule, and cancel an appointment or have questions about an appointment, please call 310-517-4738. Office hours are Monday through Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Messaging. Click Messaging, then click Inbox. You can send a secure, private message to your Torrance Memorial providers from your My Torrance Memorial portal. The inbox contains any new updates or responses received from care providers, medical records, and medical billing office. To create a new message, click Send a Message. Start typing your provider's last name and choose the provider you would like to message. If you do not see your provider, please contact support. Do not use messaging for urgent matters. If you are experiencing a medical emergency, call 911. Normal turnaround may be up to 5 business days. Type a subject in the subject line. Next, type into the free text message box. This will generate a secure message that will be sent to your provider's clinic. Helpful web links. The Helpful Web Links tab is a hub of resources and patient education for you to browse. Here you can click on the link to be directed to the Torrance Memorial Medical Center website, the Torrance Memorial Physician Network site, the Donald and Priscilla Hunt Cancer Institute at Torrance Memorial, our price estimation tool, Nominate Employee for Recognition, Health Library, and a surgery safety checklist. My Torrance Memorial Frequently Asked Questions. Our dedicated team has compiled a list of frequently asked questions that you can easily access from your portal. Here, you will find helpful information and common questions. For questions regarding technical support or your medical records, please contact our patient portal helpline at 310-517-1333.